This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Mingw for C only way. First, install MSys2, then run pacman-cu to update. Close the terminal, reopen, and install Mingw W64 toolchains. Next, add the Mingw bin directory to path and system settings, then verify installation with GCC version and a simple hello. C compile. I'll guide you step by step so you can code with confidence and avoid common setup pitfalls. Open the MSys2 installer and follow prompts to install to a short path like C, \msys64 for reliability. Then open the MSys2 shell and run pacman-cu until no more updates appear, installing Mingw W64 packages for your architecture. Close and reopen the shell when prompted. This sequence prevents package conflicts and ensures your Mingw toolchain is current and ready for compiling C programs without strange errors or missing dependencies. If you're finding this guide useful, please hit subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation: I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth for practical money ideas that pair well with disciplined learning habits. Check the description for the link and other deals if you're curious. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. After installation, set the path to include your Mingw bin directory so commands are available globally. Open a new terminal and run GCC version to confirm the compiler responds correctly. Create a minimal hello C file, compile it with GCC oh hello C, and run the executable to ensure output appears. If everything works, your environment is ready to build larger C projects and use common build tools without extra configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.